What's up everyone, my name is Aaron Tremblay from MagMod. Today we're out at the Slide Dog food truck. We're going to show you how to use MagMod modifiers to take photos in tight spaces. Let's do this. So I'm grabbing a Godox flash, a mag grid, and then I'm taking my mag shoe, popping it on a super clamp, and putting my flash on that mag shoe. Then I'm going to head inside the food truck, and as you can see there's not a lot of space to put a light stand in here. So I'm going to clamp my flash on a little overhang above its stove. The mag shoe made it super easy for me to adjust and get the light exactly where I wanted it. I then wanted to get some photos of Ramon in his element inside the truck. What was awesome about using the mag box is it was super fast to get everything set up and get that light inside. One of the things I noticed is that the interior is much darker than the outside light. As you can see, it's pretty bright. I then realized that I wanted to add a little bit more light behind Ramon and to light up the inside of the truck. I used a single 8200 in the mag box with the fabric diffuser, and I put the stand with the mag box right at the front of the truck pointing in. So the shot I was setting up was an environmental portrait of Ramon in the window of the truck. And as you can see, it took a photo without any of the flashes on, and we really lose Ramon in the truck. Then we decided to move to the inside of the truck and get some photos of Ramon prepping the food, as well as some photos of the hot dogs themselves. So what I opted to do was use a half straw gel in my mag sphere. Because of the omnidirectional light that comes out of the mag sphere, I was able to get a little bit of fill light forward onto Ramon and the hot dogs. Then I wanted to change it up a little bit and kind of stage a shot of Ramon handing off those hot dogs to an eagerly awaiting customer. And then I just wanted to get a classic portrait, so I opted to go with the focus diffuser on the mag box for this one. I wanted to make sure I could utilize all of the available light out of my speed lights. With the mag beam, I was able to have my speed light way out of frame, but still get all the light I needed on that logo. I showed Ramon and Alexis the photos and they loved them. We then moved over to take some flat light photos of those delicious hot dogs. In order to control that light and keep it consistent, I killed the ambient light and used a mag box with some black and white boards to take these photos. I used a whiteboard opposite the mag box to fill in some of the shadows, and I used black boards on either side of the hot dog to control the shadow. If you want to see all the photos from the rest of this photo shoot, be sure to check out the blog post below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, please subscribe to us to see more content, and comment below and tell me which of these shots was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you.